Current news as a catalyst, infusing your speech with relevance. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into an essential part of preparing for a successful presentation or public speech. That's right. We're talking about how to connect your topic to current news events. This can be a powerful tool, as it brings immediate relevance and interest to your subject matter, regardless of the topic. So, let's jump right into it. Firstly, it's crucial to understand why it's beneficial to link your topic to current news. News and trends resonate with people because they are immediate, relevant, and often impact our lives. When you connect your speech topic to these elements, you increase audience engagement. People naturally relate more to what they are familiar with, and this, in turn, enhances the effectiveness of your communication. The next step is identifying news that's pertinent to your topic. This can seem challenging, but it's actually quite manageable. You don't necessarily need to find news that perfectly fits your topic. Sometimes, it's more about the underlying theme or idea. For example, if your topic is on technology, a current news item about a new smartphone feature might be suitable. It's about drawing connections that can make your speech more compelling. Remember, it's not about forcing a connection but about finding natural intersections. Drawing connections is the core aspect of this process. You have your topic, and you have a piece of news. Now, the task is to align the two to bring about a broader understanding or a fresh perspective. Using the previous example, if your topic is on technology, you could link it to the new smartphone feature and explore the broader implications of how technology is becoming ever more integrated into our daily lives. After you've drawn the connection, it's time to articulate it effectively. You need to explain clearly why this piece of news is relevant to your topic. Be explicit about the connection and the insights that this link provides. This clarity ensures that your audience understands the importance and relevance of the current event to your topic. And that wraps up our discussion on how to connect your topic to current news. Remember, the goal here is to enhance your audience's engagement and make your speech or presentation more relevant. When done correctly, this approach can add depth and context to your topic, making it not only more engaging but also more memorable. We hope you found this video helpful, and as always, we encourage you to practice and experiment with these techniques. Good luck with your presentations, and we'll see you in the next video.